Ever thought about packing a bunch of succulents into one space and hoping they all get along? Yeah, turns out they actually do. This right here is a succulent arrangement across 3 long planters, and it's basically a mini desert community living side by side. You've got a mix of echeverias, sedums, aloes, and a few other succulents, each one bringing its own shape, color, and personality. Some stay low and compact, others stretch out or grow taller. But together, they create this layered, balanced look. Now here's the trick. This only works if they all like the same conditions. Most succulents agree on one thing: sun, dry soil, and space to breathe. These long wooden planters aren't just for looks. They actually help spread the plants out, so they're not fighting for space or airflow. And that's huge when it comes to preventing rot. For this setup, I used about 60% cactus mix and 40% perlite, a super fast draining combination. Since these are kept outdoors and might get rain sometimes, that extra drainage makes sure water doesn't sit around and cause problems. Watering is simple, less is more. Let everything dry out completely, then water deeply. If you're watering often, you're probably overdoing it. And as some of these plants grow, like the aloe, they'll eventually need more space. When that happens, I transplant them into their own pots with fresh soil. It's simple. Gently remove the plant, let the roots dry if needed, and replant it in well-draining mix. And notice how some of these are planted tighter on one side and more spaced out on the other? That's not random. It gives room for growth and keeps things from getting overcrowded over time. You'll also spot a few decorative touches, like stones, solar lights, and even that white duck keeping watch over everything. Not necessary, but they definitely make the whole setup feel like a little living display instead of just a planter. Biggest mistakes: overwatering, not enough sunlight, and packing plants too tightly too fast. With the right care, this setup turns into a colorful, low-maintenance arrangement that just keeps getting better over time. Low effort, high impact. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.